been a long night. I completely rebuilt the gyro upper part, upper limit, all the cylinders. The wheels have been moved from the ball drive side is now on the freewheel side, and the one with tread is on the other side. Now all I'm going to have to do, and that's a problem with these kind of bikes, is that I have to put on the fender over here and the really cool futuristic exhaust pipe. I really wish I could get another exhaust pipe. I mean, I wish I would have bought some of these parts back when I could afford them, but I can't, so I'll put on the fender, put on the exhaust pipe. It's a pain in the ass to put on. It's tricky as hell to put on, even though it's only got 4 bolts. And then I'm going to fire it up. I'll set my idle. It's really a cool built Japanese bike. I mean, everything about it is just, all the parts are, hell, the parts are 33 years old and they look brand new, and they're built to last. The only problem is I can't find any more parts, but hopefully I can get it running tomorrow morning, and then I get back onto the Dio and we put that monster racing engine in it. And I'm going to stay away from any kind of racing fuel in these bikes, because I just don't know what they do to the reeds. Even though this one has got steel reeds in it, which they came back in the day. This is an old Honda reed right here, and you can see those are stainless steel pedals, and this is the one that goes into the stock Honda Elite. The one that goes into this bike right here has only got 2 pedals on it. Of course, they have one of these on sale. The guy wants like 35 bucks for it. I'm like, no, kiss my ass. But still, these are made really nice. So I took the reeds out of the little gyro. You can't see them because they're tucked up underneath this shroud. I mean, it's really cool. The air comes in right here with the fan. The fan blows the air through the case into the cylinder to keep it cool. Then it has an off-flow little tiny auxiliary port right here, which blows the warm air up onto the carburetor, so the carburetor does not get a cold lock. I mean, it's brilliant. And then they have all these little tiny hoses that go in certain places. It's all lined out. All the hoses, everything in here is, I gotta fix that maybe. Everything in here is really old, but it's gonna work good. And so the Honda Gyro is going to ride again. And then I'll get back on the Dio. Alright, thanks.